Welcome to Mum Core Channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will be sharing with you the recipe for pasta meatballs Alfredo. The first two things you need to do are sauté the garlic and cook beef meatballs for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in another pot, boil the pasta according to package instructions for 8 to 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, when the meatballs are done, add 3 jars of classic Alfredo sauce to the meatballs. Mix the meatballs and the sauce. Simmer for another 10 minutes. Add more sauce if desired. Once the pasta is cooked, rinse it with cold water in the sink using a strainer. Combine the pasta with the meatballs and Alfredo sauce. Then cover it for 2 minutes. Ready to serve. Enjoy! Hope you liked my video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.